how to start a profitable business from home. Hey, I've been doing it for years. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and share this video. And if you would, leave a comment, make money online. That way it helps my channel. If you're looking for a way to make money online and do it with a profit with I guess the minimum amount of money, then hands down, bottom line, affiliate marketing, because you can do it with barely any money out of pocket. I'm not saying it's free, but it's pretty close. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically promoting other people's products. Now, it's not to say that you can't promote your own products or come up with your own products or maybe like a Shopify store or something like that, and actually put your products on there. But if you're looking for something that's proven, the strategy is proven, that people are doing it every day, including myself, and you're looking for a profitable online business, affiliate marketing is where it's at. There's no customer service, there's no shipping, and no dealing with a bunch of products laying around your house. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You find a company that you like or you know something about, where there's, maybe you like shopping at Amazon or some of these other big stores, like Walmart. They all have affiliate programs. Everywhere you shop, the big box stores most of them are going to have some type of affiliate program, because, deep down inside, every company, every store needs affiliates to promote their products or just to promote them in general. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for some type of business to start, but hands down, affiliate marketing, no problem. It's got to be your best way to go, because, once you learn how to build a funnel, once you learn how to do email campaigns, if you decide to go that route as far as doing advertising on Facebook, Google or Bing or any of this other stuff, you kind of want to know how to do it without being banned, because you can do stuff on social media. You can promote yourself on social media, but you got to remember, social media, you don't own social media. You could be banned for whatever reason, and at no fault of your own, So you kind of want to work on, building up your email list. But don't worry. If all of this sounds strange, building a funnel, building an email list, if all that sounds like, a little bit overwhelming, we got you covered. We got you covered. All you got to do is check out the link in the description, and we can get you going. We're going to teach you how to build funnels. We're going to teach you the right way to do email campaigns, how to do ads without being banned, how to build up that list, that email. That most important thing is your email list. We're going to show you how to do all that. But you got to be willing to take that first step, because, building a profitable business online takes work. There's some gurus out there tell you all you got to do is spend, 20 minutes a day and you're fine. Just remember, the more time you put in this, the more you're going to get out of it. So, an affiliate marketing is also the perfect side hustle. You can do it, while you're still doing your 9 to 5. You can still do it, at, maybe you're a student, you can still do it. If you're a stay-home mom, you can do it when the kids goes to sleep, you can do it. Or in between cooking dinner, when they go to bed, you got a couple hours, you can, anybody can do it. If you're retired, looking to, you don't want to go back to work, maybe health-wise you can't, but you need extra income, hey, this is perfect. especially for senior citizens. They can do it from the comfort of their home, and they don't have to worry about getting out and trying to make extra money, because everything's so expensive. It's perfect. Students, like I said, if you're looking to, if you're sitting in a dorm, or and you're trying to figure out a way to pay some of these bills, help to help yourself with some of the cost, offset some of the cost of of school, like books, dorm, and everything else in between. Affiliate marketing is the best side hustle you can do, and because you can turn it into a legit business. Then you can turn it into passive income where you're making money while you sleep. That's the goal. That's really the goal of everybody doing affiliate marketing, is you get it all set up, you do your stuff, spend a few hours a day messing with it, getting it going, change some stuff up, whatever you need to do, then you go about your day. That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. But once again, you need to learn the right way to do things, because it will help you. Not saying you can't do it, but I'm just saying, a lot of people try it. A lot of people think, yeah, they watch a few YouTube videos and they think they got it. They spend a couple weeks, they get frustrated, and they quit. So, or they do something, they get banned, and it messes them up, and it takes a while to get straightened out. But even if you're already into affiliate marketing, maybe you're one of them who thought you could do it, but then you're struggling. Hey, we can help. We can take what you've got and what you've done, and we can show you the right way to do it. Just give us a chance. We can help you. Hey, there's no problem in that. Like I said, all you gotta do is just look at the description, check out the link in it, give us a good working email, good phone number, and we'll get you going. Because you're gonna learn and make money. That's the beauty of this. Because if you want a profitable online business, affiliate marketing is the best way to go, especially now. So just remember, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let's make money online, and I'll see you next week.